If you're a pet owner like me, you may struggle with pet hair. It gets absolutely everywhere and it can build up over time. Even if you vacuum on it every couple of days, it can really build up in your carpets. And I was kind of looking for a solution, and I was really pleased that the brand team reached out to me to offer me a go and look at this product. This is a 3-in-1 carpet rake and dehairing system. So I'm very excited to show you what it is. Let's take a look at the 3 different components, and so we can talk about how they'll work and how they can help you get on top of your unwanted pet hair in your home. Now, the primary part is this very large broom head here, and it's very different from anything you've probably seen before. So you've got this metal strip here, which is perfect for plush carpets. So if you've particularly got thick carpets, and it's one of my problem areas. I've got a problem area with a couple of thicker carpets upstairs in the bedroom where I feel like I can see the hair and it's not getting up. So you would use this to get it out of the pile of the carpets, and we'll take a look at that and see how that works. The other part is this black strip here, which is really good on hard surfaces. So if you want to tidy up any messes, if you want to sweep up the hairs, and it's got this grippy edge here and this really nice thick black rubber. And the good thing about this head is you can use it in 2 different ways. So first of all, you can use it as a hand wand. You get this little handle here. So for example, you've got a very big blanket that you want to go over, and you feel that this would be the better tool for. You can use this to go over your very large blankets. If you've got a rug and you want to get on the floor and get in there, get into your corners, do it nice and slow, and you want to sort of do it by hand, you've got the handle there which screws in and screws out. So you can do that there. And then as a bit of a bonus, if you get backache, like me, you get backache, there is this which you screw in, and it means you can add on a handle. And the handle is very long, but the good thing is you can take it apart in sections. So depending on how tall you are and what you need. I'm 5'3". So obviously this comes to my shoulder, so without the broom head on. So you can adjust it to your height, and I do get backache, so I really appreciate that. You've got this foam handle here, so you can hang on to it. And it's also handy because it's got a little hook there. So once you finish with it, you can pop it up into your cupboard and put it away, keep it out of the way until you're ready to use it next week with your carpets. So yeah, that is the primary part of the head, but by no means least, there is also 2 more parts. You also have this really nifty little hand brush, and this is perfect for things like throws, cushions, your sofa. So it's got a really good sort of textured back on there, so you can get in there. It will have a traction against your upholstery. That very good gold rimage there, which also helps to adhere the hair to as well. So you can get in there that way and go that other way. I think this would be really good to get into the corners of your rooms. Also your car, if you take your dogs in your car. So this would be really good to get into your car mats. Be a really good product to get into all the little nooks. And we also have a mitt, which is really awesome. So on the back there, you've got a space for your hands. Also, you can tuck your hands behind this little strap so it doesn't come off. Pop your fingers in at that, and then you would rub it on there. It's kind of got like if you use like a lint roller, it's like a gigantic lint roller. And talking of lint rollers, I mean, using something like this is much better than keep buying the lint rollers, the rolly ones where you pull the tape off. You've got one of these, and then what you do is when you finish with it, you just rub your hand over it, take off the hair, and you can use it again and again. So if you're talking about value for money, just for the lint roller part, that's going to be awesome. Now here we have a couple of the cat beds. Clearly Miss Mabel is making biscuits right now. This is the one that's for bedding. Mabel would like to inspect that. And this has the teeth on it, and I've already given it a quick go over just to see how it feels. But we're going to do a bit more while Miss Mabel makes some biscuits. I have to say I've never de-haired this. And I'm sort of curious about what's going to come off. And already I can see quite a bit is coming off. It's also like picking up the pile a little bit as well, which is nice. It kind of gives it a second life just to clean the pile. Guys, there's bits of hair flying up in the air, so it's definitely doing its job. And there you can see the hair coming off just the first bed there. So absolutely loads of it coming off there. It's done an absolutely fantastic job. Fabulous stuff. Even if you just do this before you put it through the wash to prevent your washing machine getting clogged up with unwanted hair. Keep going. And another ball of hair there. So what a fantastic job that has done. Thank you, Mabel, of getting absolutely loads of hair off her bed. That's a really handy little thing to have. She's going to put some more on for me. Yeah, that's a really handy little brush to have. Now, this is the thickest carpet in my house, and I I've always been concerned that my vacuum doesn't get it quite as I need it to be. So I'm going to use the rake on the floor carpet just to see what it can bring up for me in terms of the pet hair. The pets do use this room. Let's have a look. You can already see it's bringing up pet hair and bits, even though I only vacuumed it a couple of days ago. Well, there's a little pile of what's come up. Let's zoom you in to take a look at what it raked up. Can you see? I mean, that's not just pet hair, that's dirt, and also my hair, I think, as well, my husband's hair. And that's just from this little section. Oh my gosh, that's shocking, absolutely shocking. Well, I'm going to do the rest of my floor while I'm at it. And yeah, God, and then also look at the pile. Doesn't the pile look nice? It looks really nice, like fresh. It's new. And to get that, that's quite shocking, isn't it? It only took me a couple of minutes. Mabel's just finished making her biscuits, and I'm really embarrassed. Truly, I'm embarrassed. I thought my carpet was clean. It's only been a couple of days, and clearly I need more help with my cleaning because that's just shocking. Some of it was also attached to the strip here as well, and it came off really easily from the strip. Wowzers, I'm very shocked. And these are our outdoor cushions. Our cats like to sleep on these in the night time. Very nice for them, but it does leave a lot of hair. I don't know if you can see that on there, and it can be quite annoying when you've got people over. You don't really want them sitting on that. So, going like that, definitely making a huge difference. As you can see, it does stay in my hand. And let's do the other side, which is actually worse. As you can see, bits of cat coming up. As you can see, he's done an absolutely fantastic job of these cushions. I would not be embarrassed now to have guests out here to sit on them. So as a pet owner, we've got a couple more troublesome areas. One is this mess that they make from shredding their cardboard box, scratchy box. Constantly getting bits here, treading them through the floor and getting them onto my rug. Let's just try the rubber side here. Oh yeah, that gets that up nice and easy. Now, I also get lots of dust bunnies in here as well, from particularly in the summer when they are running around kung fuing each other. That is awesome, and that is on the rubber side, the black rubber side. We've got the scratchy poster. Let's just switch back and see. Oh my, how that copes. String and hair and claws and all sorts. That's very handy. Look at all that. It took a minute. What a great job that's done. So yeah, 3-in-1 unit is very good. So yeah, if you've got pets in your home and you need to do a clean up, this is going to be awesome. And yeah, as you can see, works really well. So yeah, we recommend it.